In this video, I will show you how to allow friends to join your private server in Roblox. So the first step is to simply go to any game that you want to create a server for. So I'm gonna go with this one here. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on servers, and then here you're gonna have to simply create your private server. So I'm gonna click on buy now, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down. As you can see, I have my server here, so you're gonna have to simply click on these three dots and then click on configure, and then here you're gonna have to simply enable this option, which is friends allowed. And if you want, you can also invite your friends, so you can simply click on add people, and then you can simply add their username and then click on add. So basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.